Hi, my friends. How are you? How is your day going? And how's your life in general? So today I would like to talk to you about this perfume. I would like to unbox it, and especially in the summertime when really we really need to get some sort of refreshment. So this perfume, I hope that's gonna be the one that I'm expecting to have. In when I went into the one of the fragrance shop, I I was looking for the fresh perfumes, and one of the first perfume that I noticed was this one, and I really struggled, guys, to find any fresh perfumes. It seemed to be like impossible, and I kept smelling one perfume after the other, and really struggled to find Middle Eastern perfume that could be fresh. So this is the perfume. The name is Wild Vanille and Musk Wild Vanille, and it's by Lattafa. The other ones that I got was this one, so I already used it. It's Amirat Al Arab by let me remember, it's actually by Lattafa too. It's very strange. I thought it's by something else, but it's actually by Lattafa. So I don't have a lot of fresh perfumes that would be made by Lattafa, interestingly enough. This perfume is beautiful, guys. It's really beautiful, but you know what? It doesn't last very long, so that's the problem. But overall, it's really nice. Also, I got this Al Noble range. It's Amir, and I need to unbox it one day. I already got that Saphir. I used it, and the green version of this bottle, which actually I quite enjoy, guys. That Saphir. But sometimes people say that they don't like that Saphir one, but I kind of really like it. I like that green feeling and the type of cozy feeling that it gives, you know. So basically, that's the situation, guys. And right now, what we need to do is we just, guys, need to unbox this perfume. Also, guys, I got Mohra perfume right there. I need to unbox it one day. So Mohra perfume, it's supposed to smell like some sort of like a unusual type of mixture of like a Coca-Cola type of smell. I'm not really into Coca-Cola, but when I smelled in the shop, I thought, I might like that perfume, but of course I need to like use it to understand it. So one day, guys, you will see me opening that perfume too. So anyway, Wild Vanille Musk. So today's unboxing day, guys. Oh, it's already open. It was it was really fast, guys. The way just it just opened by itself, so you don't even need to do anything. It just opens by itself. So that's great, guys. So let's have a look a little bit at the packaging as well. So the expiration date is 2028. It's made in 2023, so you can check the everything, guys. And you know what? Uh, so it's really good. It's a pretty fresh perfume made up not long ago. So from these perfumes, guys, I also smelled there are like some few ranges there. There is like a rose type of thing which I didn't like. There is some kind of like a pinkish perfume which I didn't like, and there was some kind of another color, and none of them I like. And I wasn't even sure, guys, if I like this one too that much, but because it was on the fresher side, maybe because these green colors, and the price was kind of not too bad, so I thought, let me try it. And if I would read right now, I don't smell anything, but if I, let's say, would read right now for you, so it was saying there, let me just have a look. So it's by Lattafa. It's the first word what comes is musk, and then it goes vanilla, powdery, sweet, fruity, citrus, green, fresh. That first word musk actually scares me because I'm not really into musky perfumes. And then basically it's actually for women and for men, interestingly enough. And then it was 2020, the year that it was launched. And then you have notes of green tea, and then fruity notes. There is a lemon, and then there is a musk, white musk, and vanilla. So musk, lemon, some kind of green notes. Looks really, really refreshing, not overcrowded with notes or anything, but kind of really refreshing. And then in the reviews, it's not a lot of reviews, but what it says is like, some people are surprised, like, what is this perfume about, like kind of a little bit disappointed. But then some people say that, kind of, you just need to spray and wait until beautiful notes are supposed to come out, and then some people like it, some people doesn't like it, so I'm not sure. So because I already smelled this perfume before I bought it, so it's actually really dark, isn't it, guys? Because I already smelled, guys, this perfume before I bought it, so I know that I will not be disappointed too much, but of course it was such a fast smell that you never know, guys. And the liquid is kind of milky type of liquid, which is a little bit unusual for the perfume to have. So that's the situation. So this is the perfume, guys, and we can just open it. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. So it's really type of, I just inhaled a lot of alcohol, but like, so I felt these green notes, which is like, is it like a green tea or something? And then it's actually a little bit worries me, my first smell, for some kind of reason. I don't know. Like it doesn't feel as refreshing as I thought it could feel, but it's still refreshing. So, like, basically, I guess the matter is that you just need to wait. And what now worries me, guys, that I wonder, is this perfume gonna last, because it seems like everything is fading. So I felt these lemon notes, which is great. Overall, I think now it feels a bit better than before. I feel the bitterness of the green tea, which together with lemon, you know, I wonder, that lady said some kind of sweetness supposed to appear. So let's see. So guys, so where are those notes? So okay, so green tea for sure, and then after fruity notes, not a lot of fruity. It's more like green tea with lemon. And then at some point you could feel that vanilla, which is great. I wish it would be a bit more. And then that musk, I guess it's everywhere, the musk, but not too annoying so far. So, like, I don't even know with what to compare, this perfume. Really, like, my first spray is not that, my first type of impressions could be not exactly what could describe what this perfume is about. I think that overall, guys, I will enjoy this perfume to spray this summer. It's actually exactly what I need, because the heat really started to hit. That heat really started to hit these days. I feel like I really need some kind of a refreshment. Like, I'm a bit lacking of some kind of excitement, in this perfume. That's the problem. But that refreshing moment, I can, if you're gonna buy this perfume, you're gonna get a refreshing moment. It's just, how this bottle kind of looks refreshing, isn't it? And interesting, and like the type of view, how to say, it looks refreshing, and it smells refreshing, but also there is that worry type of part that is not as exciting as it could be. But I think for summertime, guys, it's great. It's not overcrowded with notes. It's kind of simplistic, refreshing, not annoying. There's not even, that musk that is there is not annoying so far. And from those range, like, have you seen, there is like Lattafa, There is the Musk Sugar Plum, which is purple, and then there is Musk Soap Poudre, which is a blue one, and there's Musk Candy Rose, which is a red one. And I think I smelled all of them in the shop, and none of them actually I liked it that particular time, apart from I wanted to try that one. I think the longevity could be under question. I wonder if there's anything written there. Is not much written there, you know, but I think it's just a matter of trying. Like some people say it smells like vanilla, type of vanilla ice cream. Some people say it's not bad at all, and you know, so that's the situation. Anyway, maybe it could be good layering type of perfume, as could be not as exciting to wear on its own, but like in the hot summer day, probably it's fine to wear perfume that's not too exciting, but just like a hint of freshness. So that's how I would describe this perfume, and you will hear me guys talking about it much more, especially about the longevity, which could be an issue with this perfume, but I'm not sure so far. Just like this perfume had longevities issues, a lot of longevities guys issues, but it's overall it's really nice. This perfume I like very much. And then let's see guys how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I also guys smelled this you know what I smelled? This I have a sample here of Lara. Have you heard about Lara perfume, guys? This Lara perfume, I don't even know what it is, but it smells interesting. And then I have a sample of this Club de Nuit for women, which actually I'm pretty impressed with Club de Nuit for women, you know, that sample I have. And Club de Nuit, it felt pretty good, you know. I think if I would have that perfume, it could be useful to have it, you know. But at the moment what we have is this one, and we're really trying to figure it out what it is. I just smelled quite sweet notes, which is actually very nice. But overall, guys, let's see how it goes. Like, without experience wearing it, I can't really tell what is this perfume about. But I'm happy to be able to unbox it and just to review it. Guys, for you, do you have any of these ranges? It's actually by Lattafa. This particular range, it's Tamine collection. Do you have any of these, guys? Are you happy with them? Let me know. Let me know, what are they about, guys? Tamine collection, are they making you happy? What refreshing perfumes, guys, do you have? What do you have, guys? I have this perfume there. It's not gonna be refreshing, guys. And then I need to unbox this perfume, which will probably not be refreshing, but it's nice, I think. And that's it, guys. I will come back to you soon, and I wish to have a beautiful day. See you soon.